If I ask you to tell me an act of bravery, what would you speak of? Probably you'll speak of a person who risked his life or who put her own safety into risk to rescue someone, or the physical act of going into an unknown territory, or people in the armed forces who are struggling every day to defend our borders by showing the acts of physical determination and physical courage. Yes, those are acts of bravery, but this typical sense often misses many things that are probably more courageous and more brave in day to day life. Take, for example, one of my relatives. She became a widow at a very young age. She brought two young children into established life in this world which is very male dominated. Is she less courageous? Is she less brave? In the armed forces who are defending the border, probably they take a command and they execute it by determination, or somebody who is doing a paragliding or doing a bungee jumping is probably risking a little bit of life for once in a time pleasure or implementing something. But in day-to-day life, in civilian life, most of the time, what we think of courage and we think of bravery is a sustained struggle of looking, deciding, implementing, and going back into the same loop and again and again. So let us today discuss some of the things which take in this life to become courageous. What are they? There are just 4 or 5 things which come to my mind based on my experience as well as what I have seen in very many people who are called courageous. The first quality is facing one's fears. What are those fears which we are always scared of? The fear of rejection, fear of getting into a conflict, and the fear of not being able to come up to the task. So once we decide that we have to meet this fear, many times what I've seen in my life that because I was confused, I was not able to beat my own fears of rejection, I lost many opportunities. But once a thing is started, once we get into the act of starting and implementing our ideas, many things become simpler and one after another things fall in place. Second thing is going off the beaten track also takes a lot of courage. This fear of conformity, fear of being like everyone else in the world, and if we do something else then probably somebody will criticize. That is a great fear, and it takes real bravery and courage in order to speak out your mind. But speaking out your mind and speaking out your heart, it should not be impulsive, it should be based on a strategy, it should be based on practice, it should be objective rather than subjective, it should not be emotional, but it should be aiming at a value system which is important. Third important thing is very important, which is asking for help. Most of the time we are scared not to ask help. We believe that asking help means weakness. And that fear of getting criticized as a weakling often pulls us back from getting those things which are ours, because people are willing to help, people are willing to give you the assistance that is required to grow in life. Next important thing to be courageous is doing a little bit of self-propagation. Humility is very overrated in our society. We believe that if we speak about ourselves, if we speak about the good things we have done, then probably people will come and say that we are bragging, we are selfish, we do not know how to be humble, and with this fear we often draw ourselves back, and this creates a problem in our life. So be courageous Start doing your own propagation, your own promotion, because that requires an act of courage. And lastly, I want to leave you with a message that in this world, being indecisive is the most commonly practiced kind of a attitude that we see. I want to do a small thing, I decide, I deliberate, I overanalyze, but I never decide. It requires real courage to take a quick decision and adhere and implement it. Because at the end, both the decisions could be wrong, but if you decide quickly, courageously, determinedly, then you will proceed ahead. So practice these 4 or 5 things to be courageous in a civilian life, not a daredevilry kind of a courage, but be courageous and brave in your own life. I hope this will help you. Thank you very much.